Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Claude Pro for free. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get Claude Pro for free, first open your web browser and search for Claude for Education. Once the search results appear, click on the official website by Anthropic. After opening the site, look for the section called Claude for Education and open it. Once you are on that page, you will see an option that says Contact our Education Team. Click on it and you will be redirected to the official application form. Here, you will need to provide some basic information including your first name, last name, school or institution name, your role, and a short explanation of why you want access to Claude. Make sure to fill in all the details correctly and professionally. After completing the form, simply click the Submit button. Once your request is sent, Anthropic will review your application and verify whether you qualify as a student or part of an educational institution. If your application meets their requirements and you are eligible for the education program, they may provide you with access to Claude Pro for free. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get Claude Pro for free. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.